Factors affecting the shipping container prices Part 2. As I said before about the size of the container. Definitely the shipping container price of the used 20-foot is less as compared to the used 40-foot shipping containers. It normally depends on the condition and location. The 10-foot shipping container price are an exception to the rule. If you think that it will cost less than 20-foot containers, think again. There are few things that you need to know about this. The 10-foot shipping containers use the same number of steel as the 20-foot container does. The sides and ceilings of 10 feet may be lesser, but it does not affect the price that much. Thus the shipping container prices between the two containers are almost the same even if they differ in size. The impact of location and inventory. Those companies that are located near the coastal area, particularly near the ports, may offer these shipping containers at the lowest price possible. You can check out and compare shipping container prices before purchasing. The most expensive containers are the one that is being delivered and taken to distribution centers where they are reorganized into trains or trucks. In some instances the products are kept in the containers for further transport, but there are things that are needed to be done on the containers that are still at the depot. Normally, the containers kept at the depot remains there until the time they need to be transported to another location. The price gets very competitive for those that are left at the depot. It may require a lot of effort, but it is possible that you can find a container in a port area and a driver can move it on your behalf. But, for this, you are required to pay additional fee. If you want to save a little bit, you will need to find a forklift that is strong enough to lift the container off the chassis. Before purchasing, it is best that you compare the shipping containers prices of different companies so you can avail the best deal available. If you want to know shipping container prices, please call Containers for Sale UK on 08447 750 075 or 01708 558 999.